What's the meaning of clapboard? Clapboard. Clapboard.
Clapboard. Clapboard. A clapboard is a type of wooden board that is used to cover the exterior walls of a building. It is usually made from cedar or pine and is designed to provide protection against the elements. The boards are typically installed in an overlapping pattern, with each board partially covering the one below it. This creates a tight seal that helps to keep moisture out of the building. Clapboards have been used for hundreds of years and remain a popular choice for homes and other structures.